Welcome to Bliss Valley Doll School. Join us today as we set up our very first doll classroom. Here's a little peek at the finished classroom, but first let me show you how we built it. I started by placing 5 trifold display boards together to create the walls and floors. From there I added contact paper to look like real wood flooring. Next I added peel and stick wallpaper to give our classroom a pop-up color. Once the classroom walls are finished, it was time to start setting everything up. Now it's time for furniture. First we add a teacher's desk, then desks for the students. And of course, every classroom needs a place for books and learning materials. I loved adding these little details to make the classroom feel real. All these tiny little details really help to bring the whole doll classroom to life. And our doll classroom is ready for the first day of school. I can't wait to start playing and learning here with you guys at Bliss Valley Doll School. Thanks for watching! More doll classrooms and pretend play coming soon.